On a crisp autumn morning, in the little village of Harvest Hollow, a boy named Gus woke up to the sound of his grumbling tummy. Gus loved Thanksgiving, but this year, the crops had failed, and there wasn't enough food for a proper feast. Why do we even celebrate Thanksgiving if there's nothing to be thankful for? Gus grumbled, kicking a small pumpkin down the dusty road. Suddenly, the pumpkin stopped and began to glow. Out of the shimmering light appeared a tiny, cheerful sprite named Poppy. She had wings made of golden leaves and a voice like tinkling bells. Gratitude unlocks the magic of Thanksgiving, Poppy said. If you want a feast, you'll need to find 3 treasures hidden in the fields. But be warned, you'll only succeed if your heart is truly thankful. Armed with Poppy's advice, Gus set out on an extraordinary adventure across Harvest Hollow. His mission: to find the golden kernel of corn, the everlasting apple, and the pumpkin of plenty, magical items that would bring life back to the village's harvest. Gus found an abandoned cornfield covered in dry stalks. As he searched, he came across a flock of hungry birds. Instead of shooing them away, Gus shared his last piece of bread with them. In return, the birds revealed the golden kernel hidden beneath the soil. "You're learning," said Poppy, fluttering nearby. "Kindness grows gratitude." Next, Gus climbed the tallest hill, where a single tree stood with withered branches. As he reached the top, he saw an old farmer struggling to carry a heavy basket of wood. Gus didn't hesitate to help. Once the farmer rested, the tree blossomed, and a glowing, everlasting apple appeared on its highest branch. "You see," said Poppy, smiling, "gratitude brings unexpected gifts." Gus carried the treasures back to Harvest Hollow. As he placed them on the village square, a wave of golden light swept through the fields. Crops sprang to life. Tall stalks of corn, ripe apples, and pumpkins of every size filled the land. The villagers gathered in awe, their hearts swelling with joy. That night, everyone enjoyed the biggest Thanksgiving feast they'd ever had. Gus stood at the center of the celebration, smiling as he finally understood. "Thanksgiving isn't about having everything," Gus said. "It's about being thankful for what we do have and sharing it with others." As the feast ended, Poppy appeared once more. "You've learned the true magic of Thanksgiving, Gus," she said with a wink, "and that magic will always stay with you." The screen fades to Gus planting seeds for next year's harvest, with the villagers singing a gratitude song in the background. A glowing message appears on the screen. What are you thankful for? Share it in the comments and join Gus for more magical adventures.